Let's be real. The idea of making money while you sleep sounds amazing. But between online scams and get-rich-quick nonsense, it's hard to know what actually works. So today, we're cutting through the noise. These are the top 3 passive income ideas that actually work, real, proven, and perfect for anyone who wants to build long-term freedom, not fake, overnight success. Let's dive right in. 1. Dividend investing your money. Working for you. This is one of the most time-tested ways Americans build wealth quietly in the background. Here's how it works. You invest in solid companies. Think Coca-Cola, Apple, or Johnson & Johnson that share their profits with you through dividends. You literally get paid just for owning their stock. And no, you don't need millions to start. Apps like Robinhood, Public, or Fidelity let you invest with just a few bucks. Over time, those dividends can grow into a serious income stream, especially when you reinvest them. Think about it. You drink Starbucks. You use your iPhone. Why not let those same companies pay you every quarter? That's how wealth builds quietly, automatically, and steadily. 2. Digital products create once, earn forever. This one's exploding right now. We're living in the digital era. Knowledge is currency. If you've got a skill, hobby, or experience, you can turn it into a product that earns money 24/7. Ebooks, Notion templates, digital planners, online courses, or printables. All of these can sell online while you sleep. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Udemy make it incredibly easy to start. Example, a college student created a digital budget planner on Etsy and now makes over $2,000 a month, all from a product they built once. The secret? Don't overthink it. Solve a real problem. Create something people need. And let automation handle the rest. 3. Affiliate marketing. Recommend what you already love. This is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income. You promote products or services you already use and get paid every time someone buys through your link. Think Amazon Associates, YouTube product links, or even social media recommendations. The key is trust. Don't sell junk. Only recommend what genuinely helps people. Let's say you use a certain productivity app or camera gear. You share your experience online, and boom, when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Start small, stay authentic, and build an audience that trusts your word. Over time, those small commissions can turn into a powerful stream of income. Now, before you go thinking this is too hard, remember this. Passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about building something once that keeps paying you back. Here's how you can start today. Pick one idea that excites you. Spend one weekend researching and setting it up. Stay consistent for 90 days. Track your progress and adjust. You don't need to quit your job. You just need to start building assets instead of hours. Because the truth is, financial freedom doesn't come from luck. It comes from systems. If this video gave you ideas or motivation, hit that like button. Comment your favorite passive income stream. And subscribe for weekly videos that help you grow your money, mindset, and freedom. Because you deserve more than just a paycheck, you deserve peace of mind. Start building it today.